Hello and welcome to a short video about how to cache your Chrome browser. Simply right-click or alternative click, select the Inspect menu item. This will open up the inspection window on the right-hand side. You don't have to do anything with this, but with it open, the refresh button has a few more options. Right-click on this and you'll see there's an empty cache and hard reload. Click here. This will empty your browser's cache and memory so that you can see content and code changes come through on your website. Once you're done, just close the X in the upper right-hand corner and you're finished. Easy peasy.